Ah,
Oh,
oh, that's hot.
shit. Here we
That's
go
hot.
again.
Hey people, Kiara here, my Digi affiliate. And today we continue promoting our all-in-one $25 digital business using my lead gen secrets. All right, guys. So as you may know, I'm up to $360 a month on this, and we're gonna keep on going. I only got 3 people in the system, and that's what I'm making. And I'm using my lead gen secrets to do this. So yeah, so as you know, each person can give you up to $120 monthly commissions on this. That's why it's so effective. You only need a few people in here to make a living income. You get about 10 people in, that's $12,000 a month. $1,200 a month, I meant to say. And yeah, that pretty much pay most of your bills at least. You know, if you're living in a low income area. So anyway, we're gonna keep on going here. Let's go to my lead gen secrets here. Now my last email I copied from something and it didn't work. It seems like the emails I make do better, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just make an email on the spot here, guys. Show you guys how to do it real quick. Done and ready to go business pays 80% commission right here. We're gonna shorten this up. Right, you know what, that all fits, so we're just gonna keep it like that. See here. Right here. Let's go with size 14 here. Bit high, so on and so forth. Do that. Oh, that's the problem. Don't hit in 3. Oh, it's the same thing. I don't know. We're just gonna leave it like that. Whatever. Let's get first name fits here. Proofing and payment. The one you did one time. I could probably leave it at that and it'd be fine. Oh. Okay. We'll put this in here. Pick something like get started today, limited spots available. Kind of make it scarce, sound scarce, you know. I guess that's enough. All right, so let me well, you guys, y'all will come here, right? Y'all will come here, and y'all will get this here, all-in-one $25 bid and sale letter, right? You'll click on this, you'll hit copy here. But for me, I got a domain, so what I probably do is go here, click on sales here, you know, click on this domain here. It just look a little better, so that's why I got it. It's the only difference. You don't have to do that, I just do that. Anyway, I'm gonna post it in like this, make it bold, easy to see, hit preview. Looks pretty good. It's a pretty good email I made. You just send it. And that's how you do that there, guys. So we're just gonna copy and paste this email, right? So we're gonna go to our next account. Since we got 3 accounts, we're gonna log out on this account. Log back in. Log in Sportsippi. We're gonna go in like that. Boom, boom. Just gonna copy paste. All right. Put that in. And we're gonna. All right, get started today. Make sure to hit perfect time. What perfect time it does, send an email around the time people check their email. So yeah, it's a pretty good email. Okay, we're gonna log out here. Since we sent the email, we're gonna log out here, right? We're gonna log in. On the next account here. All right, boom, boom. This, boom. That, paste. Oh. All right, and then this email, copy. Boom. Send the email. And we're done, guys. That's all it takes. That's all it is. The longest part was making the email myself. And that didn't take that long either. The whole process took 8 minutes of making a video about it. All you gotta do is do this every morning, guys. And you billing your own income. That's that simple. That's how little work it takes. Alright, guys. So make sure make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell. And let's get rich together, guys. Peace.